Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get a promo code for Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, what you're going to do is go ahead and open up Venmo.com. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application. So once you have downloaded it, you can go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up, the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register. In the PC option, you can just click get Venmo on your mobile phone, click the register button and get started creating your account. So once you have one, go ahead and log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page that looks like this is going to be your home page from where we can get started. As you can see, we're going to have our home section, our card section, the pay section, and so on, and now we can get started. So as you can see right here on the official help of Venmo website, we have an option, an article showing us how we can get share link to a potential referee and get our promo code. Basically, what we're going to do is open up the Me tab and then tap invite friends, and then we can earn $5. So what we're going to go and find the Me tab is right here in the bottom right corner in the home page. Click the Me tab, and once you open up the Me tab, it's going to enable you to go ahead and access the promo code. So from there, as you can see, we have promotions and offers, and you can get started with inviting your friends to Venmo. So you will get your code that they can use when registering, and once they use that code, you can receive $5 with that promo code and you can send it to whoever you want. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.